All right, y'all, good morning. Y'all know I went to the BSCAI conference and the ISSA show. So I got lucky, I got blessed, and was able to purchase some equipment. Let me show y'all. Only one came, so let me show y'all what I got. It's a floor machine. A mini floor machine. It really takes it up. Let's see. People I was with at the conference want me to do a video. When I got it, I'm doing a video. I'm about to make a mess in here. It's a small machine. See the pads? Let me show y'all this. That's the machine I got. It's battery packed. I gotta test the battery because I had to take the battery on the plane with me. I'll show you guys later when I test it. Alright, I'll get y'all when I test it.